Hi, I'm Sarah Sanchez, and this is the Pulte Homes Design Gallery. Today we're going to be talking about open house and how to make the best use of your time while you're here today. You're going to receive a presentation deck, a pricing sheet, and a flooring zone page, all from your sales associate. That presentation deck is going to have pictures of all of your options and option numbers. As you're going through your pricing sheet, that's how you'll compare your option number to your price sheet and know what options you have available to you. If you don't see an option listed in your price sheet, that means that option is not available to you on your specific floor plan. Let's talk about cabinets. Your cabinets can be done different in the kitchen, different in the master, and different in the secondaries. So you'll be picking a cabinet for each of those zones. Starting in the kitchen, your cabinets have a different upper height, a 36, 42, and a staggered. So right here you have a 36-inch upper on the upper cabinet. This one is a 42, and then you also have a staggered option where the upper cabinets are uneven. In our Heritage Oaks neighborhood, you do have a stacked option for the upper cabinets, and that's the only neighborhood that we can do the stacked option. With your cabinets, you've got a partial overlay, and that's only going to be in our levels 1 through 3. What that means is that you can see the cabinet box behind the cabinet, so you can easily open those with your hands, and they do not require hardware. You can add the hardware through us. That is an option. When you go to the levels 4 and 5, those are a full overlay, meaning that you can't open those with your hands. You have to have hardware to open those. And that hardware is included through us, and you've got a few options to choose from. Your painted cabinets, the whites and the grays, are only going to be in your levels 3, 4, and 5. Our standard and level 2 do not come with the painted cabinets. Countertops. So your countertops come in several different levels, and the main thing you want to know about your countertops is the thickness that that countertop comes in. Pay attention to the labels, as that will tell you how thick that countertop is, and we've got 2 cm and 3 cm that you can choose from. The 2 cm is always going to have a flat polish edge, and that's going to be standard. When you go to the 3 cm, you can upgrade to a bullnose edge, but we can only do that with granite in the 3 cm. The difference between granite and quartz, it's really important to know, granite is a natural product and it can have a lot of variation in color and pattern, but that's what makes it special and uniquely yours. With our quartz countertops, it's much more consistent in the color and the pattern, and it's antimicrobial, so you'll never have to seal it. It is maintenance free. Granite is a porous material, so it can hold bacteria. You will want to reseal this about once a year, and it is sealed when we install it. Going into your bathrooms, all of your bathroom countertops will be standard cultured marble with the rounded sinks. You can upgrade to any of our levels of countertops in the bathrooms, and those can be upgraded to have a rectangle sink as well. Let's talk about backsplash. You have several levels to choose from on your backsplash. The standard are one of the standard floor tiles, and those can only be laid straight. When you go to the level 2, it's any level of the floor tile. They just have to come in a square format. So the 13 by 13s or the 12 by 12s, and those can be laid diagonal or straight. From there, all of these drawers are going to have all of our deco tiles. So you've got your subway tiles and all of the decos on mesh that you can choose from. The really important part about this is that all of these are going to have a label either on the front or the back that's going to tell you what level those are and how they can be installed. That'll be really helpful information as you're making your selections. For your shower surrounds, your standard in the master bathroom will be tile laid straight, and it's only one of those standard tiles. The standard in the secondary bathroom is your Vicryl surround, and that is that real hard plastic, and it only comes in white. From there, the surround options are the same in the master and the secondary. So your level 2 is any square tile, and it just has to come in that 13 by 13 or a 12 by 12, and that can be laid straight, offset, or diagonal. Your level 3 option is your subway tile and any of your rectangle tiles, and then we also have the 10 by 30s. These are the vertigo tiles. Those can be laid offset or straight, and again, vertical or horizontal. Going into your level 4, you have your band options, and these can be done vertical or horizontal as well. All of these samples will be found in your backsplash bunkers, and on the backs you'll have the labels that will tell you if those are a shower accent and if those can be a vertical band, a horizontal band, or both. The shower floor standard is a shower pan. You can upgrade to a mud set or a spa shower. Those are structural options that will need to be done with your sales associate. If you've selected one of those options, the shower floor selections are all included, and we've got several options to choose from. So you've got your pebbles, all of your deco tiles for those as well. Again, those will all be labeled and are here in the design gallery. With your flooring zone document is going to be the most important thing you can use to help you understand your flooring zones. Your flooring zones are not going to be called out as the living room, the kitchen. It's going to be zone 1, zone 3, and the only way you'll know what those zones are is by using this. So in your pricing sheet, when you see those zones, you'll use this in accordance with that to know how to price out your flooring. The standard flooring in the foyer, the kitchen, the master, secondary bathrooms, and laundry will all be tile. The rest of the house is going to be standard carpet. With our carpet, we've got several levels of carpet to choose from. The carpet does have to match throughout the entire home though. So if you choose a level 2 carpet, the whole house, anywhere that you have carpet, would have to be a level 2. When you upgrade your carpet pad, that does give you the antimicrobial liner and the spill guard. So you've got a standard carpet pad that's a 3/8 of an inch thick carpet pad, and then the upgrade is a 1/2 of an inch thick carpet pad. Your wood flooring will have a picture on the back and some information here that's going to tell you if that is a high variation wood. So the different wood species will absorb stain differently, which can cause those boards to be lighter and darker just based on the way that wood absorbs the stain. This is also going to tell you if the boards are a 3-inch, a 6-inch, whatever the board width is with that particular wood sample. Wood's a natural product, so it can scratch, and you do have to use special cleaners with your wood floors. With the enhanced vinyl plank, this is not available in every neighborhood, so you'll want to use your pricing sheet to see if this is available to you in your neighborhood. If it's not in your pricing sheet, it's not available. This product is waterproof, and you don't have any grout with it to worry about. On your tile flooring, you've got standard tile that's going to come in a 12x12 or a 13x13, and it can only be laid straight. When you upgrade your tile, we've got several levels, and you just want to pay attention to the labels to know what size and what level that tile is. The level 2 and up tile can be laid half offset for no additional charge. And to do any tile on the diagonal, it does have to come in a square format, and there's additional charge for that because there's more cuts and more waste with it. We do have wood tile available as well. Sinks, doors, plumbing fixtures, all of those will be located in your design presentation, and we'll help you through all of that at your design appointment. Your exteriors will be done in the neighborhood with your sales associate, and you'll have a separate electrical appointment as well. We look forward to working with you and can't wait to help you design your dream home.